Can you hear me? Am I audible? I'm not able to hear you. Wait a minute. Someone please speak something at least. Am I clearly audible now? Am I clearly audible now? I'm not able to hear you. Let me join again. Please, someone speak something. Please speak something.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I can hear you. Thank you. Okay, so first of all, everyone, I hope everyone has joined Google Classroom. If someone has not joined as yet, please follow the link given in chat box and join Google Classroom. Have everyone joined?
Yes, sir. Join.
Oh, nice. So I have uploaded the sheet number 3, that is engineering curve, that we have discussed long back. Okay, so you need to upload that thing in Google Classroom. Fine. You individually go into your assigned work and then turn in. Okay, so that individually you should go into that. You don't every time don't just upload in that comment section. Okay, please individually turn the assignment in. Okay. Okay, just a minute. Right now I am attaching sheet number 2. In who is this saying something no CV005? Who is that?
सर मी
So what is your issue?
सर नहीं हो रहा है वो
नहीं हो
सर
रहा है,
कोई
that
बात
is
नहीं
your
मैं
issue.
फिर
You'll do it later on.
ओके सर मैं बाद में ट्राई करता हूँ फिर से
Now in chat box, I have just uploaded sheet number 2. Please see everyone. You may have already got it. I circulated it earlier. Have everyone got that?
Yes, sir.
वेडनेसडे को सबमिट करना है सर।
Yes.
और सीट भी।
Yeah, it was. I know when I gave you. Okay, we have done it long back. In first week of December, we did that. Before that, okay, fine. And most of the thing we are already doing in sheet work. We are already doing in sketchbook work. We are already doing in classes. That part should be with you ready. Okay, till now you were not having that Google IDs compatible. That's why we were doing it like that. Now you all have that Google ID also, so we can start evaluating the things also. Is there any question regarding this sheet 3 problem, submission, whatever? Anyone?
No, sir, no.
Okay, thank you.
सर
Yes.
फोटो जो हमें खींच के डालना है पीडीएफ बना के,
Hmm.
वो फ्रंट और बैक दो दो फोटो दो पिक हो गए बराबर ना?
Sorry.
फ्रंट का फुल और बैक का फुल ऐसे पिक देना है ना?
You can merge it. I want one file for sketchbook, one file for sheet one.
ओके सर.
Merge the PDF. I am just commenting that. I have just added that comment. You please comply with that. Okay. Submit one PDF for sketchbook and one PDF for sheetwork. It's okay with that, so that we can move further. Any question? Please ask me. Anyone having any question?
नो सर, वी गॉट इट.
Okay. So now everyone got this sheet number two. Problem with them. Everyone got it or not? It was circulated few days back, I think. अरे भाई मिल गया कि नहीं सबको सीट टू? That is what we are going to discuss now. Am I audible? Am I audible? Ganesh, am I audible? Just hold a minute. Okay, am I audible or not? Ganesh,
यस
can
सर.
you to reply me, dear?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Have you circulated seat number
सर सीट टू
two?
नॉट गॉट येट.
Ganesh, have you circulated or not? I sent you a few days back, I think, or not?
Yes, sir. Circulated.
So now why people are saying that they have not got? Title block also circulated now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now anyone yet to receive? I circulated through Ganesh and he is saying that he has circulated. अरे आप आंसर तो दो भाई. Am I audible? Why are you not
सर
answering?
मेरे पास नहीं आई है सीट।
हाँ तो you collect
Sheet
him.
तो नहीं आई sir.
Sheet.
Only title block we got.
Ganesh,
सर MVCV ग्रुप में भेजा है
please
हाँ
check
तो
सर
मुझे
मैंने
MVCV
भेजा है
group.
सर हमारा अनऑफिशियल ग्रुप में
हाँ तो who is saying they got not did not get? नील चेक किया ग्रुप
यस सर।
है कि नहीं?
सर वही सर।
हाँ
हाँ अभी
then
देख
then you are not paying attention and why are you creating problems?
अभी सर अभी देख लिया सर। वो डाउनलोड नहीं
that
हुआ
is
था ना
our
सर।
problem.
नो आई एम नॉट ब्लेमिंग एनीवन।
Okay, now pay attention everyone on sheet number 2. Okay, what is the first problem? We will discuss it briefly and it is because already everything has been done previously. It's not opening. If someone is having that read first problem, your computer is not responding right now.
What is RF?
Yes, read full.
Right, unit conversion of matrix and PT system.
Okay, that's it.
Yes.
Okay, now in that, what you need to do, you need to just a minute. I will just let you know. We need to use, but it is not mentioned which unit is to be converted in metric also, isn't it? Correct, na?
Yes.
So we need to take length. What are the different units in length in metric system? Please speak one by one. चलो भाई. Centimeter to millimeter, centimeter to the millimeter will go in this way, millimeter to centimeter, and centimeter to next is, what is the next unit, next bigger unit of centimeter? चलो बोलो. What is the,
Kilometer to meter.
no, we go in sequence. From smallest unit is millimeter, then in your scale what you get is centimeter. So 10 millimeter is 1 centimeter. Okay, then we have 10 centimeter is to 1 decimeter. Fine. Then 10 decimeter is equal to 1 meter. The 10 decimeter is how much? It is 100 centimeter. Correct. Then we have 10 meter is equal to decameter, then decameter to hectometer, hectometer to kilometer. And I will just show you, just a minute. Just understand from that. Is it visible my screen? Is my screen visible?
No, sir.
Wait a second. It will get. Now it's visible. Fine.
Yes.
So what is the representative factor that you know? That is drawing size divided by actual size. You need to write in that. Okay, like this. And what it is given for metric system and British system, you need to write unit conversion. But we need to take length as that unit. not any other unit. Because, and if we are talking about engineering graphics, you should not ask, sir, which unit we should convert, weight or density or whatever. It must be length only. Understand? It must be length only because we are dealing in dimensions. Fine. So see here, metric system. Smallest unit is millimeter. So 10 millimeter is converted into 1 centimeter. That is also prescribed in your scale also. What scale you are having in your compass box, it is also having that thing. 10 millimeter is equal to what? 1 centimeter. Fine. Then 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter. Then decimeter is equal to 1 meter. So from that you can convert 1 meter is equal to how much centimeter? In very known thing here, 10 centimeter, and the 10 decameter is equal to 10 centimeter. So it is 100 centimeter, 1 meter is equal to, correct or not? You can see it here. Okay. Then 10 meter is equal to 1 decameter.
Yes.
10 decameter is equal to 1 hectometer, and 10 hectometer is equal to 1 kilometer. Fine. So we need to write from millimeter up to kilometer. That is metric system. And we have in British system different units. First of all, we have inch. So how much, the smallest unit is centimeter. Fine. So how much centimeter is 1 inch? That is 2.54 centimeter. And how much inch is equal to 1 feet? That is 12 inch. After feet, that is yard. In cricket, we say 22 yard pitch we are having wicket. Fine, that is 22 yard. Why it is yard? Do you know? Now this is interesting question. You must be interested. This much you know or not that people generally term it a 22 yard wicket.
सर वो दो पैर के बीच का डिस्टेंस ऐसा कुछ.
That is fine. That is different thing. But this cricket was invented by British people. Understand? And that British people measure that wicket distance in yard because they follow this British system. That's why we are having that 22 yard. Got it? Then we have next is furlong and last is mile. Understand? Now, in engineering graphics perspective, this is fine, but you also should know what is 1 kilometer is equal to how much mile. Now, this question you add, please. From these two comparison, you will be doing this. Fine. You take, if you want, you can take snapshot of this. And now, you can convert this kilometer into mile. Just for not scale or say RF perspective, I am just talking in engineering perspective. You can convert this kilometer into mile. Aren't? Can't you? Can you convert it or not? Answer me yes or no.
0.62
Yes,
miles.
sir.
That,
0.62.
that is, see, okay, you have searched it or something else or anything, that is different thing. What I am asking, can you do it from this given table, whatever it is given right now in front of you? Can you convert it? Yes or no?
Yes.
How? How in the sense you have this mile to centimeter relation in British system, correct? And you are having this centimeter to kilometer relation also in metric system. So centimeter is common in both, so that you can relate this kilometer to mile, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Centimeter.
Yes, correct. Now, what is the next problem? Please, anyone read. Yes, anyone? चलो भाई रीड करो फटाफट. Why are you taking too much time?
Construct a plane scale of RF 1:100
Correct.
to show meters and decimeters.
Okay. Can you do it?
Maximum measurement required is 10 meters. Include 8 meters, 7 decimeter on the scale.
Indicate that. So can you do that?
Indicate.
Do you know how to draw that?
Yes.
How? You just tell me steps. Who will tell me the first step?
Length of scale.
Let us discuss. Yes, correct. Very good. Length of scale. How you will calculate length of scale?
RF into maximum scale measured.
Okay. So now, who is that? Who is speaking? Now you won't speak, Ganesh. Now anyone else? What is that? How much it will come in this case? चलो नील बोलो.
Sir, 1 minute.
Yes, do it. I don't want exact. First of all, that you tell me what will multiply what, then we will calculate it.
1:100. 1:100 into 10.
Into 10. That is 10 is what? 10 unit. What is the unit? Maximum measurement is 10, but what is
10
the unit?
meters given.
Meter. So you will multiply 1 by 100 into 10. It will give you
1 minute.
Length of scale.
0.1.
0.1, but that will be in meters. Understand?
Yes, meter.
We should convert that thing in centimeter because we are representing the same thing in on drawing sheet. Okay. So what should be
Yes.
ideal? Length of scales is equal to 1 of RF into maximum measurement and then unit conversion factor. Okay. Right now it is given meter. If I would have given this, say for example, yard, then isn't it? If
Sir.
maximum measurement is 10 yard, then see in exam these things will come. Okay, this simple conversion will definitely come in this come in exam. Are you getting me? Because you should basically know these things. What I just told you, that unit conversions, metric system and British system. Question examiner can ask you anything, but there is no difference in methodology. You should at least know how much smaller unit is equal to that bigger unit. That's it. Unit conversion. Understand? Understand or not? Understand or
Yes.
not? Okay. So you learn by heart this conversion. Starting in metric system, starting from millimeter to kilometer, and in British system, centimeter to mile. Okay. So whatever is given, you won't have any problem. Understand? So in this case, what is the answer coming in centimeter? Length of scale? Quickly. What is the length of scale coming in this case? Fast. And you will be having mobile or calculator with you. Calculate it fast. Why?
10 centimeter.
10 centimeter. Okay. So what is the next step? This is we are talking about plane scale. So what is the next step? What is the next step? Tanuj, what is the next step?
So we have to
10
draw a
cent.
line of
Ganesh, please mute yourself. Tanuj will speak. Yes.
10
Speak up.
centimeter line.
Very good. Then
Then divide according question में क्या है?
hmm?
8 meter 7 decimeter.
No. After drawing the 10 centimeter line, what you are supposed to do?
You have to divide line into
How many equal parts? 10.
10.
Okay. So I will just draw it here also for you. So what we will do, just a minute. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So first of all, what I will do, I will create this thing. Fine, this is 10 centimeter line. Correct. You assume few things. I can't actually measure it and draw exact 10 centimeters. So it will be at times here and there a bit. Correct. I'm just writing for your understanding. So this is 10. Correct. Now divide this line into 10 equal parts. Correct. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Understand this is 10. Okay. Correct. This is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now one more thing. Everyone pay attention. Now I am demonstrating this. Fine. And in that document it is given that problem number, just a minute. Problem number 2, 4 and 6 is to be done in sketchbook also. Fine. So this is not to be done, but other problems which are to be done in sketchbook also, you can carry on while I am teaching you. Understand? So that it is already done within class only, the sketchbook work. And if you are confident enough, you can directly do these problems also instead. Whatever is being taught. It is up to you. Understand? Okay. So now, okay. So this is my, what is the next step then? First, what is the next step? चलो भाई बताओ, we don't waste this much time. These things are already done before we started engineering drawing or engineering course. We are taking this much time in this, then how we will proceed?
On map of Gujarat.
अरे
One cell.
problem, first of all solve this problem.
Okay, okay.
इसमें what will do next? Reply me fast.
10 equal parts.
10 equal parts it is already done. Can't you see in my screen?
Sir, 10 to 0 means
You
this
write
one.
down the numbers. You write down numbers. Is correct? I will write down number. That this is 0. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And what about this? This first,
10.
you will divide into smaller units, 10 smaller units. Correct?
Yes.
You do it properly. I am just doing it to explain you because it accuracy won't be achieved in this. It will be nice in sheet and sketchbook. Okay, so this is done. So what is the next step? Speak out fast.
From 0, 7 तक जाना है 0 से लेफ्ट साइड
क्यों?
because we have to indicate 7 decimeter.
So what is the smaller? This bigger unit is meter, isn't it? Just a
हाँ.
minute. And just a minute. Hello. Audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what you are need to indicate? What you need to indicate? 8 meter and
7 decimeter.
7 decimeters. So what does it mean that decimeter is the second unit to meter, isn't it? And 10 decimeter
Hmm.
is equal to 1 meter, correct? So this each
Yes.
smaller portion is decimeter, this one, and whole this is 1 meter, correct? Now you need to show 8 meter and 7 decimeter. So we'll go from this side. Starting from here, we'll go 1 meter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 meter is over here. Correct? Like this. And how much decimeter you need to do? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Correct? So this will be your
Yes.
8 meter, 7 decimeter. Correct? Problem solved?
Yes, sir. Done.
Second problem? Good. Okay. Now what is the third that we will see? Everyone understood? Anyone any doubt? Brijesh,
No, sir, no doubt.
you, Amal, Tanuj, Neil, anyone?
No, sir. Understood.
Okay, nice. Now read the next one. Next problem.
Hello, sir.
Yes, who is that?
सर ध्रुव
हाँ बोलो.
सर मैं गूगल क्लासरूम ज्वाइन ही नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ.
अरे उसको अभी छोड़ो, तुम बाद में करना. That must be some issue with your
Okay,
side.
okay, sir.
I can't do anything.
Okay, sir.
चलो, इसमें कुछ डाउट? Okay. Now read the
No,
next.
sir.
Okay, now read the next problem. You read the next problem. चलो फटाफट. चलो चलो फटाफट करो. Read next problem. I'll just show you the. Okay, I already showed that thing. चलो रीड करो भाई थर्ड प्रॉब्लम फटाफट.
On a map of Gujarat,
Very good.
1 centimeter represents 5 kilometers.
Okay.
Construct a plane scale long enough to measure distance between Ahmedabad and Baroda. Indicate on it the distance between Ahmedabad and Anand.
That
Distance
is
given.
who is this? Who
Anuj,
is
sir.
this? Okay, very good. And just little gentle correction, that is Ahmedabad. Okay.
Ahmedabad. Okay.
Okay, nice. No problem. So what you are required to
Okay.
do? 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometers are given. Maximum distance is given. How much maximum distance is? 100 kilometers. isn't it?
Yes.
And there is some intermediate distance also. So first of all, we will measure what is the RF. What is RF in this case? Calculate fast. RF is equal to drawing size by actual size. What is RF? Answer me fast. Amal, you there? Amal?
1 by 50,000.
1 by 50,000 or 1 by 5,000?
One by 5,000
Why it is so?
in centimeter.
Okay, that is 1 by 5,000. So what is the length of scale? That is RF into maximum distance, that is 100 kilometers, into centimeter. You convert it into centimeters. Isn't
100.
it? Sorry, what is 100?
100 centimeter.
Huh? How it is so?
Because maximum distance 100 kilometer. 100 kilometer into
But that kilometer must be converted into centimeter again, na?
ah,
Hmm?
100 by
What?
520.
Yes,
2020. Okay.
20 centimeter, correct. So now what is the procedure? Same
Yes.
procedure what we did in previous class, previous problem, correct? In how many
Draw a
parts you
line.
will
Okay.
draw a line of 20 centimeter? Good. How much parts you will divide it into?
20.
20 or 10? It's up to you, correct?
Yes.
You can do it in 10 also, in 20 is also fine. But that is okay. Because here, see, 1 centimeter is 5 kilometers is given. Okay. So you are on the left hand side. If you divide it into 12 parts, 20 parts, what will happen?
100 kilometer already.
So how many parts you will divide it into?
20.
Then next step. So if you divide it into 20 parts, what will be your one part equal to how much length it will be? You need to consider this thing or not. You 1 centimeter is 5 kilometers.
Yes, you have to consider.
Okay. So how many parts you are dividing, and just answer me fast. What you will do
20
next?
only, sir. Because
Then अरे अभी प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम में डिस्कस किया, बताओ प्रोसीजर पूरा बता दो खाली फटाफट. भाई?
So after divide,
Yes, I'm waiting for that.
we have to write number 0, 1, 2, 3. But sir, here no decimeter is given.
Means
We have to indicate only key in kilometer. Means direct only we can do.
how?
1 to 20 means equals to 100 kilometers.
That's why what you need to do, you divide it into 10 parts. I'll just share one thing. Correct? You divide it into 10 parts. Are you getting or are you doing or not? Are you doing it or not?
What we are doing.
Hmm? चलो फटाफट करके बताओ आंसर.
सर हमने पहले स्केल तो ड्रॉ कर ली वो 20 पार्ट्स तक, फिर डिस्टेंस अहमदाबाद टू बड़ौदा 100 मार्क्स कर लेते हैं एक्चुअल पॉइंट से. और
that will be both the extreme points, isn't it?
नो
Isn't
सर,
it?
आई एम टेलिंग दैट
Yes, sir.
एक्चुअल पॉइंट एक रखने का सर, 0, और 0 से 100 वो बड़ौदा तक हो गया, अहमदाबाद टू बड़ौदा.
But you need to use scales. That is known to you, that thing. But you need to show how you use scale. Are you getting me?
Hmm.
So for that, what you need to do, you need to divide it into how many parts? 10.
Okay.
And on the left hand side, the smaller parts will give us how much units each 1 kilometer. That 1
Oh,
centimeter is 1 centimeter is 10 kilometers.
55. Okay. Okay.
Sorry, I'll
5
just
5
kilometers
kilometer ना sir.
just a minute.
given in question.
I am that we have already
अरे
given. Yes, yes, Tanu, speak up.
yes, sir.
Who
That
was
already.
speaking?
No, sir. You continue.
Okay. What I am telling you, we need to show how we use scales. Okay. So we need to divide it into smaller and bigger units. Correct? This is how we
Okay, sir.
will do that. Wait a second. Is this visible?
Yes.
What we have, that this RF, we have already considered this thing in RF, isn't it? Now the 100, you will have from 0 to 9, fine, and on this side, correct? So these are how much? This is 10 kilometers. Okay, this is still same what is given here because this is 2 centimeter. Are you getting? This is 2 centimeter and this hole is 20 centimeter. So we divided this whole 20 centimeter into this is 20 centimeter. So we divided this 20 centimeter into 10 equal parts. Understand? So this is 10. Why we did this? Because we want to show this using scale. Otherwise, if you start you divide into the 20 parts, what will happen? It will directly give us without this and at times. Just imagine if this centimeter is coming somewhat 40, for example 40, what you will do? You will divide it into 40 parts. It will be too much cumbersome. Then there is no meaning of using scale. So what we did, we divide in some reasonable parts. Say for example 10, and then we are dividing the first portion in smaller parts. So here one is one. His total is 10 kilometers. So this one line indicates how much kilometer? This one line indicates how much kilometer?
20.
Sorry, how much?
It's a smaller line.
Yes, what I am
Smaller.
drawing. What I am drawing. These parts.
10.
One single line.
2 kilometers. 2 kilometers.
1 kilometer.
1 kilometer. We have divided
1
into
kilometer. Okay.
this is 2 centimeter parts. So we have divided that 2 centimeter into 10 equal parts. Are you getting me? This is 1
Yes, sir.
kilometer. So for 100 it will be out to out for Ahmedabad Baroda. For Baroda Anand with 0 to 60. This will give, I will change the color. This will give us 60 kilometer up to here. And for remaining 5, we will go from this. Okay, so total 65 kilometers. Correct? Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll move to next one. What is next?
सर
Yes?
सर यहाँ पे आरएफ मीटर में लिया गया है ना?
Sorry?
सर यहाँ पे आरएफ मीटर में लिया गया है ना? ये क्वेश्चन अभी आपने करवाया है वो
मैं समझा नहीं क्वेश्चन. RF मीटर में लिया गया मतलब?
आरएफ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव फैक्टर आपने मीटर में लिया है ना, जो 1/5000 है.
Yes, we are converting into meter. हाँ.
तो सर हमें तो कभी भी सेंटीमीटर में लाना होता है ना ये सर स्केल के लिए.
Yes, actually that you are correct. This should be again must be divided by one more 10.
सर
Isn't it?
100 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा ना 1/100 से.
In bottom in RF.
हाँ हाँ
And that
हाँ.
same thing will be okay, but why? Okay, that mistake. And why it is not reflected here? Because again it is getting cancelled out in length of scale. So your
Yes, sir.
your RF will be different. Yes, you are correct. Everyone got that thing? Everyone understood or not?
No, sir.
How we calculate RF? There is design size by actual size. Correct or not?
Yes.
And now what is the design size? 1 centimeter. What is the actual size? It is given here. 5 kilometers. So convert it into centimeter. You convert it into centimeter. Who said no? Please, that person respond me so that we can solve your confusion.
Yes, sir. 1/50,000
But that again, that why
in
is our-
centimeter.
Yes, and you now calculate length of scale. Now we calculate the length of scale for the same. How much it is?
सर 1/5 लाख आ रहा है ना 100 से
You RF, whatever is your RF, you find out length of scale. What I am telling you, you just find out your length of scale. First of all, let me know your length of scale.
हाँ सर 20 सेंटीमीटर ही आ रहा है
That why this happened. Your because RF is
सर
again multiplication factor is here in denominator and here is in numerator. That's why it is cancel out.
kilometer.
Getting your point.
Yes, sir.
नहीं, जो नो बोला था उसको समझ में आया कि नहीं? Who said no earlier?
Yes, sir.
Clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us go to the fourth problem. चलो fourth problem पढ़ो. What is it saying? Okay, fourth problem कौन है पढ़ो. कौन पढ़ेगा पढ़ो फटाफट.
Construct a diagonal scale with the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 0.5 kilometer, showing kilometer, hectometer, and decameter. Scale should be long enough to measure up to 5 kilometers. Indicate on the scale the distance of 3 kilometers, 7 hectometer, 8 decameter.
Okay, fine. Now what is the longest unit, biggest unit in this?
Kilometer.
What is the next one? After
Hectometer
kilometer.
and then hectometer.
What is the 1 kilometer? It is equal to how much hectometer? 10. And 1 hectometer is how much decameter? 10. Okay.
10.
Metric system works in 10 in the multiplication of 10 only. Okay. So what will you do? First of all, you will calculate RF. What is RF? You convert that kilometer into centimeter, fine. So you will get some RF. Clear? Now what is length of scale? What is length of scale? RF into maximum distance. What is maximum distance in this problem?
5 kilometer
5 kilometers. So you will get some length of scale. What is length of scale?
10 centimeter.
10 centimeters. So what you will do? You will draw one line of 10 centimeters, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then divide it into equal parts. Correct?
10
5
only.
Fine. Then the first portion you need to divide into how much parts? Again 10. I will
Yes.
draw. I will draw also the first. I will just show for the first one. Okay. So what we will do? We'll divide this into. Sorry. 10 equal parts. Before that, what you need to do? You need to have some height. Correct? Divide them into 10 equal parts. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, now what you do in this case? What is the next step? चलो बोलो फटाफट. Yes, you have already seen.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That is fine, but you need to divide these or not.
Yes.
How you will divide these? Horizontally or vertically? Horizontally, na? In how much parts?
10 parts.
10.
Correct. Now, what you do? The first point you join with 0th point here, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Like this. Correct.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Like this, the second one, and so on. You can connect. The last point will be here. But I will draw that line also, which is required. Just a minute. 3, 7, and 8. Okay. Correct.
Yes.
Now, one thing I want to ask you: how many equal parts you will divide this line into? This bigger main line.
5.
5. 5.
Why?
Yes, sir.
Why 5?
Because servo.
Maximum.
Correct. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is correct. It will be something like this. Okay. So, what is your question? Is 3 kilometer.
Kilometer.
Then
7.
7
7.
hectometer. And
Yes.
how much decameter? 8.
8. 8.
8 decameter. Okay. So first of all, this 3. This is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What happened? Some mistake I did. Just a second.
0, 2, 3, only.
Hmm?
0, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. I drawn one more part. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this won't come actually. That's right. So you please assume right now, because otherwise everything will get erased out. Shit. Like this. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is our 3, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So this line is the end line. Then 7 hectometer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. This line. Correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
This will be our hectometer, and this will be our decameter. Decameter will again, we will draw from 0, 1, 2 up to 10. So we need to mark how much, which point number
8.
8.
8. So this is it, the 8 one. Got it? This is our 8 point. So this starting from here, this distance is our required distance, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So similarly, you can do the next one also. This is also same. But thing is, yard, foot, and inch. It is a British system. That's it. That's the only difference. Fifth problem. Okay. So you'll be able to do that. And last one is also the same diagonal scale only. That's kilometer, hectometer, decameter. What we just did. Okay. So we are not repeating that thing. Clear? Clear any doubt in this? You'll be able to do it by yourself. This sheet number 2. Answer me whether you will be do it by
Yes, sir.
yourself or not.
Yes.
Okay, nice. So we will now move to next portion. Now in tomorrow's theory class, you just remind me. I am still knowing it. I have not forgot. But in tomorrow's theory class, we will discuss one problem regarding this projection of plane. We did one mistake. It was the mistake from was from my side, but we will discuss that mistake and we'll recorrect that thing. Okay, so just remind me any of you because that in the whole class we will do it, so everyone will be able to understand. Okay, now we will go to the next problem. So first of all, answer me. You will be able to do it by Friday or not? This thing, sheet number 2. You will be able to do it or not? This is 6 problem, little problems. Hmm? Is there any issue? You need to do it by Friday. Is there any
No
problem?
problem.
Sorry?
Sir, Saturday तक এখন
Sorry?
that is Saturday.
You want to submit it by Saturday?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. We'll keep it Saturday. Tomorrow I will upload that thing. Okay. In the classroom and then accordingly we will do it. Okay. Now what we will do, we'll discuss from where we left. Before that, we'll see that thing, our regular routine. Is screen visible?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
It has got a front view and top view and side view. In first angle method only. Though you draw it in rough, but draw in first angle projection method. Correct? Draw it. We'll wait. I'll give you 10 minutes for this. No, 10 minutes. 5 minutes. So fast. Now everyone just pay attention and give you that much time. You everyone understand that Ahmedabad Baroda problem or not? Why we divide it into 10 parts rather than 20 parts? Everyone understood or not? If there is any question, please ask me. There is just a little tricky problem, nothing else, just a small tricky. That's it. Is there any doubt to anyone in problem number 3? Please ask me. Please ask me if you are any doubt. Neil,
No, sir.
Tanuj,
No, sir.
Ganesh,
No, sir.
Vijesh,
No, sir.
Dhruv.
No, sir.
Where is Amal? Why who is from civil? Ganesh. Where are other students from civil? There are only 3. Where are others? Hmm?
सर प्रतीक को बुखार है, बस एक ही जन नहीं आया ना.
So you are having 8 enrollments, na? I think.
सर वो तो पहले से ही नहीं आ रहे बाकी के.
No one is attending since beginning.
सर रौनक ने एक एक आध बार किया होगा, बाकी कोई आ नहीं रहा है.
Okay, so as physical में खाली Pratik is not available. And Brijesh, what about
Yes.
mechanical students? Brijesh,
Yes, sir.
how many students we are having mechanical? 6, na?
8.
So 8. Okay, 8. So where are others? We are only 2. Dhruv,
Yes, sir.
where are other students?
Sir, don't know, sir. Every class में वो लोग होते ही नहीं है.
8 में से सिर्फ 2 होते हैं, बाकी के 6 लोग नहीं होते हैं एवरी क्लास में.
सर अभी अमल भी है, लेकिन वो पता नहीं उसका क्या माइक नहीं चल रहा है, ऐसा कुछ है.
माइक कुछ नहीं, तो कैमरा चल रहा है, उसको दिखा, बोलो कैमरा चल रहा है. कैन यू हियर मी अमल?
उसने मेरे को मैसेज किया उसने, लेकिन वो अभी क्या है उसका प्रॉब्लम है पता नहीं.
So you 3 are only there. Where are other 5? You are 5 and 8 enrollment na total.
पता नहीं सर, वो बाकी के तो
And Tanuj,
कभी आते हैं कभी नहीं आते.
civil you are 6 na? Tanuj,
No, sir. 8.
and mechanical? Brijesh, Dhruv,
8.
8 ही है सर मैकेनिकल में भी.
तो 18 to 8 16 है दोनों.
Yes, sir.
I'll have to check because I got some other information from. Okay, no problem. You just show me. Is it done? Okay, just wait a minute. I'll just join you in a minute. You till then you complete this problem and then show me your answer. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
चलो हो गया, दिखाओ मेरे को. Please show me your answer. चलो show me your answer. चलो ध्रुव
सर
दिखाओ.
फ्रंट व्यू ही हुआ है.
हाँ तो फ्रंट व्यू दिखाओ, चलो पहले फ्रंट व्यू दिखाओ. And you all people please pay attention, you don't take this much time. चलो wait a minute. ये कौन है बोल रहा है कि फ्रंट व्यू, नीचे भी तो एक व्यू है. Just take upward. I want to shoot front. I want to see front view. ऊपर के व्यू पे थोड़ा कैमरा नजदीक ले जाओ. नीचे में जो होल तुमने डॉटेड में दिखाया है हिडन, that is center line is missing. There should be center line as well as here in horizontal circle also. Otherwise it seems correct. Now show me top view. Top view ऐसा थोड़ी आएगा. It will be horizontal. Should be horizontal. The circle will come on left hand side. It should be rotated.
सर डायरेक्शन गलत है.
You rotate your notebook. No, 180 degree. Still 90 more. You rotate it anti-clockwise. Show me that. Yeah, this is the correct top view, but then it should be compiled with this front view also, na? Separately, these are correct. Are you getting me? Separately, these views are correct. Together as a whole third angle projection, it is not correct. We proceed to the side view. Okay, Tanuj. Yes, this C. Who is this? CV005. C. Tanuj. Understood. And Tanuj, you take it near. Have you used projection or what? Just take it near. Okay, very nice. So when you use
स्ट्रेट
projection,
लाइन के लिए वो थोड़ा
yes, that is nice. You use projection, then you will get least amount of error. Understand? Correct. चलो next side view करो complete और next दिखाओ. नील दिखाओ. लाइट कम है, थोड़ा नजदीक ले जाओ. ये that your down view, what is that? The top view is incorrect. Orientation is also incorrect. Show me the front view. How you can think of it like that in reverse direction? Okay, see, now I will show you the answer. First of all, XY line, then this is the front view. Okay, you all, most of you got this correct. Hope you have all shown this hidden line also. This hidden line is for these and these. Correct? What is this is front view. Now this is the top view. It is directly, if you see projection, you can't draw it in some other direction. You can't draw. How can you do it like this? How can you imagine it like this? It should not happen. This is the correct. Understand? And if you draw it by projection, you won't find any mistake also. This is the Side view, and now we will see the side view. This is the side view from this side. Got it? So if you want, you can take a snapshot of this and you can practice it by yourself. You will have to develop your own imagination, because this projection, see, orthographic projection is all about imagination. No one can teach you imagination. Okay, how to imagine? No one can teach you. Understand? In these, teaching involves up to this only. Okay? You need to do this dotted. You need to show these center lines. You need to use projections like these, etc. Then you should show some hidden line like this and similar thing. But you have to imagine it by yourself, isn't it? Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So now we'll see. We'll proceed further. Okay. Now we have discussed till now in projection of plane at different plane inclined to horizontal and vertical plane at certain angle, etc. Fine. But we know if you want a true shape, see, now you listen to my question clearly. If you want to have a true shape, your object should be parallel to either plane. Is it correct or not? If you want to see the true shape of any plane, your plane should be parallel to either a vertical plane or a horizontal plane. That is correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct, sir. Correct.
Now answer me the next question. If your plane is parallel to vertical plane, where in which view you will be able to see the true shape?
Front view.
Front view.
Front
Very
view.
good.
And
Very good. In vertical plane. Correct?
yes.
Now, if your
Yes, sir.
plane is, oh, very good. If your plane is parallel to horizontal plane, in which view you will be able to see the true
Top
shape?
view.
Top view.
Top
Top
view.
view.
Okay, in
Top
horizontal
view.
plane. Correct? But we have seen one projection of line also, and in projection of plane also. If the plane is inclined to both the planes, then you can't see top exact true view in either of the plane. Correct or not?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Correct. You can demonstrate. You can imagine by putting some scale or pencil or notebook in your room. You are already surrounded by three vertical planes, whatever are the vertical planes. You are already in cube, so you can use that vertical plane and horizontal plane. Okay. So at times,
I was it.
sorry.
Nothing, sir.
Okay. So at time you will be given some views and you need to find its true shape. How you will be finding that true shape, that we will see. Okay. So first we'll just read it out the steps written here. Draw the given front view and top view. Okay. So now this problem is cut out. Now this problem can be associated or say linked with main problem also. What we discussed in previous class. Draw the projection of inclined plane which is inclined to both the planes. Correct. Now that can be, this problem can be further connected to that also, or you may be given the front view and top view description directly. You need not to project front view and top view. Directly views, both the views are given with the description. So you need to prepare that first. From that, you need to take the true shape. So what we will draw the first, draw the front view and top view as per given information. Then among all the lines of front view and top view, select a line showing true length. Okay. Now, which line will be showing the true length? Just answer me. Which line can show you true length? We are talking about line. Principle is exactly same for true shape and true length. Exactly same. You just imagine by keeping your ball pen in your room. If you want to see the true length of a line, how it should be oriented? Answer me.
Parallel to HP and VP.
Parallel to either of any. Understand?
Yes. I
If
think.
it is parallel to VP and inclined to HP, still you can see the true length in vertical plane. Correct or not in front view? It should be at
Yes.
least parallel to any of the plane. At least one plane. It should be parallel. Fine. Then draw the XY line perpendicular to the line showing plane. See, you just don't get confused by just reading this problem. When you will see it practical problem, okay, you are not able to see the screen.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir. We are able.
Can you see screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am not able to see. Just a minute. Okay, now I can see. Yes, problem. Just a minute. Just a minute. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So now we will see this thing. First of all, just read the problem. What is there? I will read. You just pay attention. Top view is given. Top view is a triangle ABC. Fine. Then AB is given. Some angle CAB is given. That is not 300. That is 30 degree. And angle CAB is 65 degree. Okay. So top view is given. Whole description is given. Now A dash, B dash, C dash. If this FV is even not given, then you can say which view is this. Are you getting my question? If this is not given, for example, and this is also not given, then can you say which one is the front view and which one is the top view?
Dash or a non-dash?
Yes, dash will be nomenclature with dash will be front view and nomenclature without dash will be the top view. You always keep this in mind. Very good. So now what it is saying that front view is this. A, B, and C dimensions are given from respective to H, P, etc. and all the projection, and find its true shape. Now we will see how to find the true shape. So what we will do, first of all, what we need to do, draw the front view and top view as per the given data. Fine, so we'll do that. This is XY line. Now these are the angles given. Okay, so we generated the information, isn't it? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, okay. So this is, okay, understand? Now, okay, before that, just a moment. Now, after generating this, you don't know where to put point A, B, and C on respective lines, isn't it? Or you know
We know, sir.
how? That
A
is,
dash, B dash.
it is given that it is above HP, it is given. Fine. So what is the
Yes.
distance of A dash from this XY line, C dash from this line, and b dash from this line, it is given. So accordingly we have drawn this, correct? So these are the lines given, distance given, correct? Now this line AB is parallel to which plane? See here, AB line is parallel to which plane?
H.
You are seeing it in which plane? First of all, horizontal plane, correct?
Hmm.
So it is parallel to which plane? We don't know right now what is its
Vertical.
isn't it vertical plane? You just keep some scale or something in your hand, horizontal, and then check it. So this a dash b, so it's this it is it is actually the inclination etc is given, fine. Just a minute. Okay, so now in line AB is parallel to XY. This AB line is parallel to XY line. Fine. So its front view will be true length, isn't it? Correct or not? That we have already seen. Correct or not? Correct or not?
Yes.
This is also true length only. You don't get confused. Right now I am talking about this object. That's why. This is already a true length. It is parallel. So this view is also true length or not? Just a minute. We'll proceed further. So what is done? First of all, we will draw one XY line like this, perpendicular to this true length. Correct? Now you first of all we will discuss procedure. Here in this true shape, we need to understand procedure first of all. What is the procedure? That whatever true length you find, okay, here see in top view line AB is parallel to XY line. Fine. So its other view A dash B dash is true length that we know. Then to this true length we draw one perpendicular line XY and we project these points A dash B dash D dash on it like this. It is already projected. Clear? Now what is next step? See. Now why we have to put this point A and B on this line that we don't know, isn't it? Do you know A line is also lying on this line? I'll just show this. Point A is lying on this line, correct? Point B is also lying on
Yes.
this line, but you don't know where to put it. Point C is lying on this line, but where? Here where? That you don't know. For that, what we need to do? Read here. This step. Point B. From XY, take these distances of A, B, C in top view. So we will measure from XY. What is the distance of C? That we will measure from this line. We will measure this distance from XY. And that much distance we will mark on here. We will measure this distance for B and we will mark it here. We will measure this much distance from A and we will mark it here likewise. I'll just show you. Okay. So AB, both our distance are same because this line is parallel, isn't it? So this distance of B
Yes.
and A is same, so they are coinciding each other. Fine. Now, what is this? That I'll tell you. This line view is an auxiliary top view. This line view is auxiliary top view. Now we are using auxiliary plane. Okay. So So till here we were discussing that what is top view and front view, that is fine. Now we have all together created one auxiliary plane itself. Okay, with reference to these become our auxiliary top view. Why auxiliary top view? Because we mark distances in top view. We measure distance in this top view for marking this.
सर
Yes,
सर वो क्या समझा सकते हो सर? A1 B1 और C1 वो समझ में नहीं आया सर.
A1. First of all, these you understood how we drawn this x1 y1 line. Understood
सर वो
these?
90.
It is perpendicular to this true line.
Yes sir.
Okay, we have found this true line and we drawn one line x1 y1 perpendicular to this true line. Clear?
सर कौन से भी डिस्टेंस पे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं?
Yes. कोई भी distance. That must be within page. That's it. This distance you are talking about, na?
Yes sir.
Yes, that you could have drawn that inclined line, perpendicular line here also. You could have drawn it here also. That is up to you. You could have drawn it as near as this also. Generally, we keep 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter feasible distance, so that if you want to write something, you can write it here. Understood? There is no big issue. Clear? First of all, how to draw this x1 y1 line?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now what we extended the projection here. Mark the projection from this. I will change the line. Okay. So we did projection like this. We don't know where the point will be, so we drawn very long projections. You don't know right now where the points will be, correct? Now what we will do, we will measure these distances. Now you listen carefully. We will measure these distances in top view. This is our top view, correct? Original top view, correct? Correct or not?
Yes.
So for
Yes,
that,
sir.
we will measure the distance from XY line, this distance for B. Now, what is the projection line of B? This line. So from that, same distance we will keep from x1, y1 here. So we will get this point, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Now similarly, we will measure this distance from C distance from x1, xy line. And from same distance from this x1, y1 line on this projection of C, we will mark it here. Correct? Understood?
Yes.
Now same procedure we will do for this point number A also. We'll measure this much distance and we'll mark it on the projection line of A. So it is again coming on the same point. Clear? How we got A1, B1, C1?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes sir.
these line view is auxiliary top view. Why we are telling it auxiliary top view? Because we measure distance in top view. Okay. Right now we just try to follow the process. Slowly upon solving a problem, we will understand it clearly. Now what we are doing, we are drawing another line parallel to this line. Okay.
Yes.
At whatever distance. This distance is also up to you. Same as this. Whatever distance you have drawn this line. Okay. Now that is x2, y2. Now we are again projecting these points newly created A1, B1, C1 on this line. Okay, but still we don't know the distances of A1, B1 and C1 on these lines, correct? Correct or not?
Yes.
So what we will do, we will measure the distances. Now what we did, Wait a minute, let me change color. Now, what procedure we did here? Okay, we measure distance from this x1, y1 line. Okay, this a1, a, b, and c distance. That procedure now we will do from here. Okay, correct. So first point we will measure for, say for example, this b. So what is this distance? This much distance we will mark it on its projection like this. Understood? Then for C, now we are following C, so C dash is lying this much away, this distance. Okay, so we are measuring that distance and we are marking on projection of C, so we are getting this point. Now the same we will do for A also. So from here you need to measure this distance, correct, and you will mark it on projection of this A. It will somewhere here that you will see here, correct, isn't it?
Yes.
Now we will join them. So this will be the true shape. Okay, this will be the true shape of actual object. Understand? Now this would be inclined at some angle to this and that, whatever, that is not given to you. You are directly given top view and front view. So how to draw true shape from front view and top view, that we have derived. Clear? Understood or not? How many steps
Yes.
we proceeded? First of all, we found one true length in front view, correct? Then we drawn one,
Yes.
then we drawn one x1 y1 line perpendicular to the true length. Okay, we drawn projection on that line. Fine. Then from front view we took the distances and we marked them on the projections. So we got one line, that is auxiliary front top view. Okay, now we drawn another line which is now parallel to this newly created line, this line x2 y2, and we drawn projection of A, B, and C on this like this. And for distances, what we did, we measured distance from this x1 y1 line in this direction for individual points, and we marked them here. So ultimately it gave us this true shape. Okay, so see, right now you may find it a bit weird or say non-absorbing, but as we go on solving problems, you'll find it comfortable. Same as what we are finding it for top view, front view, sorry, projection of plane, etc. Okay, right now you understood what we did in this and what is the true shape actually. Understood or not? Okay, now, okay, this we will, I think we will do next time, this problem. Okay, so right now, do you have any question regarding sheet number 2 or anything?
सर
Yes.
सर वो ट्यूटोरियल में आपने सॉरी जो गूगल क्लासरूम में दिया है ना सीट, तो उसमें सर स्केचबुक का भी मतलब पिक लेना है
Yes.
या खाली सीट का?
Yes. No, both. Both. I have written it clearly.
ओके मतलब सर 2 पीडीएफ भेजनी है आपको?
Yes, one PDF for sheet, one PDF for sketchbook.
सर वो कंटिन्यूअस इवोल्यूशन में वही क्वेश्चन है ना, वो स्केचबुक वाले भेजने हैं
जो मैंने क्लियरली अंदर मार्क करके रखा है कौन सा कंटिन्यूअस इवोल्यूशन में है वगैरह.
ओके
Isn't it? Correct ना?
ओके
If you have any question, anything, you can ask me in Google Classroom. Okay, wherever you feel any problem, just ask me.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in sheet 4, that projection, the question is very big, sir. So how can we write in sheet?
Which question? Sheet number
In
3
sheet
or
4, that projection sheet. 4, projection sheet.
projection of line?
Yes.
So
Sir,
what
question
I
was,
okay, so what I will do, I will send you PDF in other format. What you do is you print that and directly use that as a question.
oh, okay,
Will
that's
it be
good.
fine?
Yes, sir.
So okay, so you do that, you print directly that in that format and directly use that as a question. You need not to write that questions again in that sheet.
Yes, sir. We will mention number.
Yes, you just mention numbers.
Okay.
Okay, I'll just upload it. Okay, anything else?
No, sir.
Now, if someone was not able to log into the Google Classroom, please try it because nothing is restricted from my side. I have I have done it clearly from my side, so there is no problem. Please check your some connections or whatever is the issue. Okay, we'll end this.